Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to see about Dogecoin Mars and also Shiba Inu coin. There is a good comparison I'm going to make. That's because I believe that there's money to be made in Dogecoin Mars as well. When Shiba Inu goes up, I'm pretty sure Dogecoin Mars will also give a big wave bull run as well. So we can make a lot of money on both Shiba Inu coin and Dogecoin Mars coin. This is not a financial advice, guys. So please do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. So this video is only for education and entertainment purposes. Here you can see here Elon Musk coin, which is is called Dogecoin Mars, but it's cleverly been named like Elon. That's because we all knew that how big Elon Musk can be in the crypto industry. He made almost Dogecoin a big winner. The Dogecoin went almost 70-75 cent during the SNL interview he gave. So he is a market influencer. He can actually make the price move upside or downside. So these guys are pretty clever. If he can move the market, why can't we actually name a meme coin in his name so that the price could rocket? Here you go. There are a lot of winners. There are a lot of millionaires have already been made. This coin specifically made around 4,000% increase. So guys, I'm not even joking. 4,000% increase in October for the Elon coin. Actually, the market cap was only around 26 million on October 1. But then at the end of the month, October 30th, this was a pretty old article, but it gives you a good comparison of where the next wave is going to be. And on the by end of the month, almost it went up to 1.2 billion. So that's like 4,000% gain. And also the most of the gains came from on October 29th and October 30th. There are two things. First thing is Google Trends. We all knew that Shiba Inu had a massive spike on October 29th because of the people googling about Shiba Inu. And then the other thing is this Elon coin also been listed on two major exchanges, which is OKEX and also the Crypto.com. Crypto.com is nothing but a CRO coin, guys. So that I'm pretty bullish on that coin as well. So have a look at that. And why wouldn't you be surprised, right? The Dogecoin Mars tweeted that thank you Martians for overwhelming support to get us listed on the OKS exchange. They have seen some massive gains, 4,000% gains, guys. Think about you're investing this $500 on October 1, and then within a month of time a 4,000% increase would have been amazing. But not only that, we know that Shiba Inu gained almost 1,000% in October, where we had a whopping market cap around 39 billion. We even surpassed the Dogecoin at around at that point of time. So Shiba Inu, which came as a Dogecoin killer, already we smashed Dogecoin. We went up the hill. But not only the fact that we went up about Dogecoin, the upcoming roadmap and also the projects we are into metaverse, and also the payment integration with Bitmart, all these guys is amazingly good. So Shiba Inu is going to give a massive wave, but also for the fact, let me show you something, right? If you see here, Shiba Inu coin actually went to its all-time high, or quad 0 See the date here. It's October 28th. So on the same day, we saw just in the article, Dogecoin Mars was increased almost 300%. So what I'm trying to say here is, within a few months, I'm sure Shiba Inu will surpass this. Will make a new all-time high, and I'm pretty sure also the Dogecoin Mars coin, the Elon coin, will also give a similar hike, and you can get some decent money on the similar date. That's because these meme coins, they travel together, they make gains together, and then also when it's down they are down together as well. So this is Shiba Inu coin is around 34% down on a month, and then on a week around 8% down. If you see the circulating supply here is 549 trillion, and then see the market cap is around 19 billion. But that's why I'm telling Shiba Inu remains as a king of the meme coins. That's because of the utility, and then the SHIB army is amazingly crazy. But if you see Dogecoin Mars coin here, the market cap is only 638 million. That's why I'm telling you there's a lot of room to grow here. It's not even 1 billion the market cap. When you compare Shiba Inu is around 19 billion, and here it's only 638 million. But the circulating supply is very similar. We see 549 in Shiba Inu and then 553 here. I'm hoping there's a lot of money to be made in Dogecoin Mars. That's why I'm making this video. It's a good comparison, even though this is an old article, but I'm pretty sure we are in the same stage where we can make a lot of money. Well, pretty much most of the cryptocurrencies are down, guys. I mean, this is kind of a bear market. I wouldn't say this would continue for a long time. This is just Christmas period, holiday time. The price will definitely come up. So if you want to buy now rather than FOMO buying in later. I would strongly advise you to buy the coin now. So I hope you like this video. This is just a short comparison between where the circulating supply, what the market cap is. I'm not even comparing the actual coins. I totally believe that Shiba Inu has its own value and its also own roadmap and achievement. And then I don't want to compare coins. I'm not here to pump any coin, or I'm not telling you any advice to buy any coins. It's a pretty decent thing to say that you can make money on both the coins. So that's what I'm here to say. So hopefully you like this video, guys. Leave a comment that if you bought any Dogeland Mars. Thank you so much for watching the video. Take care.